Hello lovelies, I'm coming to you all again with another tutorial on defining my curls. As you see, my hair has grown out a bit and I just wanted to come back and do an updated simple curl definition video with you all now that I have length to show you how I get my curls to pop. So I'm not going to talk you all through this tutorial because you've seen me do this before, but I will give you some pointers on what I do. I do this on extremely wet hair. Yes, I do use Eco Styler gel to achieve this style. Sometimes I mix a little oil into it. This time I did not. I'm going to go ahead and start this on shampooed and conditioned hair. So where you will see me start is with the Adell's line of leave-in conditioner and a sea moss butter to seal in the moisture. I'll leave a link in the description box to all the products that I'm using, as well as any additional things I think you guys should know about this video. But without further ado, I will be quiet and let you all watch. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff.
Second, I know you feel the beat. Do you feel the rhythm all the way? Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. Nights in California, fly passing homes, yeah, right by sunset colored skies. Chilling by the ocean, driving up the mountain, soaked in the endless beauty all of you. You know it feels alright, alright. Yeah. Can you see the vision? Everything in and this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. Nights in California, fly passing homes, yeah, right by sunset colored sky. Chilling by the ocean, driving up the mountain, soaked in the endless beauty, all of you. You know it feels alright, alright, alright. Tonight